Hello everyone, welcome to our bonus video on how to make the seasoned chicken and seasoned shrimp for the salad or any other dish of your choice. Okay, so let's start off with cleaning our chicken and shrimp. You don't have to do this, but to me it just helps with making sure that there's no extra residue or smell that the meat may have acquired after sitting in the packaging for so long and on the shelf. This also adds flavor to the meat overall as well. So today for the chicken, we're going to use a solution of water, vinegar, and lime juice. Other times you can use vinegar and salt, whatever your choice may be. Something acidic, lemon juice can be used as well. So now that we've cleaned the chicken, we're just going to cut off the excess fat off of the chicken thighs that we have here. Okay, now that we've taken off the excess fat, we're going to start cutting some of our chicken into pieces. And this is just to show that you can have the chicken either whole as it is or in smaller pieces. Now we're going to add our seasoning. We're going to start with our green seasoning paste, which is another recipe and video that we have on the Flavorful website. Then after that, we're going to add our remaining dry ingredients. Now we're going to start cleaning our shrimp. Similar to how we clean the chicken, this time we're going to use water, vinegar, and lime. We're also going to remove the tails from the shrimp, just so it's easier to enjoy while eating. We're going to start off with adding our seasoning paste once again to the shrimp and remaining dry seasonings, and we're going to mix the shrimp well so that it's coated with all that flavor. As always, I like to remind people anytime that you're dealing with raw meat, poultry, seafood, always make sure to sanitize all of your surfaces. Okay, so now we're going to start cooking the chicken similar to what we did in the video. We're going to cook it over medium heat, flipping it occasionally, 4 minutes per side, and an additional 8 to 10 minutes. Of course, you're going to make sure that the little pieces of chicken as well are cooked thoroughly. And I love using chicken thighs and recipes because they come out juicy and tender, and they're just really, really flavorful. And now we're going to just cook our seasoned shrimp and just make sure that they're pink and nice and firm and plump, 1 to 2 minutes per side. And fun fact is, one way that you can make sure that your shrimp isn't shriveled up and chewy during the cooking process is to add a little bit of either cornstarch or baking soda to the surface of the shrimp. This kind of protects the shrimp and prevents it from overcooking. And that's it, everyone. We have our chicken and our shrimp, which will be perfect toppings and pairings with the salad that we have. If you want to see all the ingredients, please make sure to look at the recipes with these videos. Thank you so much for watching this bonus footage. Happy plate life and enjoy.